So, how do you think about today's, after today's practices, how do you think you're going to do in today's events?
I'm actually real confident about today's race. Other than the weather, I mean, we may lose a little traction out there, but I'm looking real confident with my new trucks and new tires, so we'll be looking good out there.
Good luck.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, after today's practices, how do you think you're going to do in today's races?
After today's practices, we had 4 good runs on the track, right? We had a spin out on the 3rd run, but we got it recalibrated, got it back there in the pit stops, got my wheels all lined up, and I think we're having a good race today's P.G.R.A. That's for you don't know, it's that's a Professional Garage Door Racers Association. It's a very dangerous sport. But we have taken it to a new level, and we're going to make sure it's an entertaining race for you folks today.
All right, it sounds great. All right, I'm excited for you. All right.
All right, I'll see you out there on the track. Thank you.
All right, take care. Stop line, he's getting ready to take off. He's good to go. Thumbs up. It's a signal, I think. There we go. All right. Our driver's taking off. He's coming down at the fast pace acceleration. Curving to the right. Here he goes. He's going in. Oh my goodness. Oh my God! Oh my goodness! I made it! Alright, a new contestant is coming up here at the beginning of the racetrack. He's getting ready to come down. Look at him, he's ready to go. Alright, here we go. So alright, a new runner's coming down here, accelerating full speed, coming down. He's going. Oh my God! Alright. Hey, alright. Hey. Oh. Let's check for fatigue. Anything?
I'm good.
You okay?
I think I'm good.
You're alright.
I see you, Jesus. I'm coming. Crap, I'm still here. We got this.
Placed, right, position yourself, there you go. We don't want another accident like we did last time because, you know, we see there how he collapsed and then he was having a little bit of hallucination going on, thinking he's going, okay, all right, a little bit of interruption, here we go. He's gonna lay flat on the stomach, come down here. Here he goes, he's getting ready. Oh my goodness, here he comes. Oh my gosh, he's accelerating, he's moving fast, he's going through, he might not make it. Oh my gosh, he's gonna... Oh my God!
If you want an adrenaline rush, you need to join this P.G.R.A. All right, let me tell you what. This Professional Garage Door Racers Association. I'm gonna tell you what, Mama, you better be proud of your boy because he done on top of the world.
Oh my God! Ryan did an excellent job going through. Had perfect balance, perfect core value going on. Here he goes. He's going on his 2nd round here. We have some little bit of rainfall coming down. Some pretty steep raindrops I see coming down here. This is pretty intense. This is going to be a good event here. Oh my gosh, he's coming down, he's accelerating. He's getting some more speed gradually coming through. He's making it through. Oh my gosh, he's going to get, oh my goodness, we have an interruption. It's right after that little bit of a fault there, we have him coming back up on the mound. He's ready to go, he's positioned. He's just waiting for the countdown to start. Here he goes, he's accelerating down. Top-notch speed, he's accelerating more. Here he goes, he's making it. Do he make the course? Oh my, no! Oh my God! Oh my God! You okay?
You all right there, bud?
All right.
America, you good?
I'm good.
He's all right. America, he's all right. He's all right.
Right. There we go. We're getting ready to take off again. He's going. All right. He just pushed himself off. Speed's increasing gradually. Here he goes. He's going faster. He's gonna make it. Will he do it? Oh my gosh! He's gonna. No! Oh my.
I'm gonna tell you what.
All right.